when you do your gynecomastia surgery, please make sure you do it the first right way, the first time. Many patients make the mistake of not going to a well-qualified plastic surgeon, not discussing what is to be done, what technique is to be done. Today, gynecomastia should only be done by the Gynecomastia 360 technique, which maps out each segment of the chest and takes out fat from everywhere, removes gland, does not leave any fat behind, gives a good shape to the skin. Many times patients don't do that. Unfortunately, they don't have the knowledge or they don't discuss well with the doctor, and then they land up with asymmetries, skin deformities, presence of extra gland, fat is not taken out properly. So there are very clear definitions of Gynecomastia 360 technique. Always discuss that with your doctor. So you must get an estimate of what is the result going to be. Now, when we define the chest, the 360 square technique, we define the margins of the pectoralis muscle. We remove all the extra fat. Now, this is part of the 360 technique. Every doctor should be removing this extra amount of fat and this bra roll during the first gynecomastia surgery itself. If you don't remove this, then the patient will come back with bulges and it does not look very pretty. So choose the correct technique. Then we define the deltopectoral groove. Conventionally, this was not done. So we define this and really create this angle, and then we create this shadow below the collarbone or the clavicle. So this gives a box-like appearance to the chest, which is what healthy, people who go to the gym a lot have, that kind of a pumped up appearance. Lastly, we will inject some fat into the pectoralis muscle to pump up the upper part of the chest, and that is going to give a very nice athletics appearance. If you wear a t-shirt, the chest will just stand up like that, and that is what you want when you do this high definition procedure.